Okay, hi everyone. Welcome back to the Adobe Animate CQ 2020 tools. Okay, so today we are going to see some of the tools and the drawing tools we are used in the Adobe Animate. Okay, first of all, we will take a new file again today. So we go to new, right? Right there, you getting this window, and you have to select. You can see there are different formats. Other we will just take for the moment standard one. You can take HD quality if you want. For the other one, this is enough. So just say create, right? Okay. If someone wants to disturb, they can leave the session. Huh? Okay. Right now you can see this screen. So this is the where we do drawing our tool. Right now you can see our toolbox or the tool bar here. So we are going to use the first one here. You can see, right?
Sir,
Yes.
Buddhika sir,
Yes.
Gorona sir, leave when sir.
If you want, you can leave. It's up to you.
Gorona dahagina.
Okay, then if you feel it's not safe, you can leave if you want. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, I will just put the video, right? Right, look at here. Now this is where we going to draw, right? So we're going to take the first one is the line tool. So line. So we can see the line tool, right? In here, right? You can see the line tool, right? So once you click the line, you can draw the lines like this. But sometimes you may need to modify these things or line tool. For these things, you need to know the properties. Okay, we going to take. Now you cannot see the property window. So how can you take? You go to window, you can see the properties. Now you are getting the line tool properties. Now you can see my line color is what? It is red color, right? So style is this one and the width is this one. So if I want to change this one into a different style, I just select this, right? Then once I draw this one, you will see that's the design. Again, if I want to change another design, go to here, first click the line tool, that's the thing first, then go to properties, then I'm going to change the width here. Okay, properties, then you can see the width. Okay, look at here, this one you can see. I can pick up the color if you want. So you can see the stroke, I can make a little bit bigger here size, you can see like this. right? Then if you again change it into a different color, say this color, and change into a different width this way, and if I just change the size also, here you can see, sorry, you can see the size, stroke size. Then if I draw like this, right? So likewise you can change those all the things from where? From the properties window. So from the properties window you change it. First you have to click the particular line tool. Okay, so the line tool you have to be select, then you have to change the properties. Now if you want to have a different style here, just take this style. Can you see? That's a different style. So if you're going to change another one,
Viewed.
right? So you can see here these lines. Can you see? That's the difference, right? So you can pick up the color, stroke color. We say you want to have this rainbow like this, like that. And if you change into the another style, we can see here the width, like that, right? Because of the colors we have, right? So that's about the line tool. Okay. Any questions regarding that, Puta?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay, is it clear? Okay, we'll move to the next one. How to draw the rectangular one. So I'm going to take a new one. Okay. So go to File, go to New, right? Right. So okay, just take this one and click Create. Right, now this is my page. So I'm going to draw my rectangle. For the rectangle, I am using the rectangular tool to use it. Okay, look at here. So first click the rectangle tool. You can pick up the color from here, fill color, whatever the color you want. We just say blue color. So you can draw like this. Now, okay, right? So you can see this, what is that? Now if I just pick up, now if I want to change these properties, so click the properties, you can see the fill color is what? The blue. The stroke color is the rainbow colors you can see there, right? So if I just change now into a fill color into red, and if I change the stroke color into green, and if I want to change the stroke size little bit reduce, and the style I'm going to change this into this dotted line dash. Now if I draw here, you are getting this one. Okay, right? That is the first thing. Okay, so you should know how to pick up the fill color and the stroke colors. So we just take here again, take this one, go to properties, take this one, fill and stroke. Then you can change the size. Then you can change the here style also. Look at this. Right, so if you want to move this object, click the selection and you can move this object wherever you want. Right. Then there's another one you can see. So there's a called these corners, right? Let's see what is these corners or the edges. Okay, go to right. Now I'm going to first have to pick up this one. Okay, then go to window. I'm going to change the properties. Now here I'm just going to take this shape. Now you can see this. If I go move it here, rectangle options. Can you see rectangle options? Now here, right? You can see the corners edges. Now it is 0. Now if I just change into 60, and this is into say 45, and if I draw now a shape from the rectangle, you can see looks like this. Okay, so if I take a new one, okay, okay, create. Right, so if I now draw this, here you can see the shape, right? That's the shape you are getting for the rectangle, right? Why we change the corners, the rectangle corners, but right, what are the values? So we can change this again. Here you go to here. Now if you want to change this one, right, you can see rectangle corners radius we have changed it here, right? So the scale, you can see the normal or horizontal like that. The width is what is that? You can draw this way. If I draw now this one, can you see now you can see these edges here, the borders, can you see a different than this? Okay, so totally different one, right? Right, so that's about that radius of the rectangles. You can also in the corners you can adjust to that, right? So next one we have the call the what, right? Select the rectangle primitive tool, right? So what is this rectangle primitive, right? Right. Then select the shape of the option, properties panel, modify the shape. So let's see, we just take a normal one for that one. Right, we just keep it these properties as normal. Right. Then we say this fill color is black, and we just make the size a little bit smaller, strokes color, right? So when you draw, still there, you have to change the radius. You just change the radius. Now we just make these ones 0, 0, 0, and this is also 0. Right, let's see now, like right. So next one is the right, you have to select this one, specify, you have to mention what, the select the shape, use two options available in properties, modify shape. So we just click this one, right?
Sir?
Yes, Peter.
Okay.
Yes, any question? If you have any question, tell lah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so can you see now? Earlier rectangle, now I just make the shape. Can you see? Now I can bend it here. And if I take this one, like that. Okay, is it clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now that's about the rectangle primitive tool. Okay, so first draw the shape and you go to properties and you can change this one. Okay, right. Next one we have put the called drawing ovals or the circle. So what we have to take it? So we have to take the oval tool. Oval tool is the tool we are using in the animate. So I'm going to take a new one again. Right. So where's this? This is the oval shape here. You can see here. Right. So just click new. So this is my oval. Right. So oval shape. You can just click it and you can draw. Right. Right. So what is that? Now the same way you can here go to window in the properties. Right. So you can change this stroke colors. Can you see? Right. So here go to Windows properties, and if you make the stroke colors, right, in the angle, if you make it out here, did you see? So angle, then if you want to take this one, properties, and the ending angle this one, like this. Right. Okay. Okay, is it clear? The oval one, right?
Yes, sir.
The oval tool
Yes,
just the
sir.
same way as the rectangle one. You need to select the stroke and the colors and those things and the size. You can see the stroke size and the width and the scale you want, right? Here, all the things we can do from where? On the properties. Okay, that's why we call the properties window is a very important part in Animate. Okay, right? So that's about the oval tool, and the oval primitive tool is the same way, right? Right. So let's see how to draw. Next one is called the drawing polygonal tools or the stars. So how do you draw these ones? Okay. So what is this one? So you have to select the polystar. Polystar tool you have to select. Right. So you can see a now. Can you see the polystar tool here?
Yes, sir.
We see, okay, this is the selection tool, freehand, this one, classic tool, rectangle, and this one, gradient tool, line tool, this one. Now, I told you that day, if you are not here, how are you going to take that tool? Okay, so you have to click on this and you have to pick up that tool. Now here, my polygon tool is here. So you just click and drag to my toolbar. Right? So now it will be added. I can add it here. Now we can see it added to my toolbar. It was in the hidden. Now just click it. Now it's there. Now we are going to click on the polygonal tool. This tool. Okay, polygonal or the polystar tool. Right. So let's see how to take this one. Okay. I'm going to take another new one. Right. Then create. Right, so we just click on this and we just draw it here. You can see this one. Right, so that's the way. Right, so polystar is that one. So how are you going to change these values? Right, so again we have to go to the window properties. Now can you see here? Here polystar style. I can say polystar is in the polygonal. If you like to star, and if you now draw the one, it's the star. Again, I just show you. Go to here, go to properties. Under tools option, we have the style. What's the style you want, whether polygonal or this one? Okay, right. If we have polygonal, it will be polygonal. You can see it's there. Now, how are you going to change to a different style? Let's see. Again, properties. Now you can see number of sides. You can see it's a pentagon. Now you want to change this one. I want to change into, we say, octagon. So octagon, how many sides? 8 sides, no? Now it's 8. Okay. So what is the star point scale or the point size is now it's 0.05. So if I now draw now, you are getting a octagon, right? Again, I just drew. Now I want to have here, go to properties. I just make the stroke a little bit smaller and change into green. And I'm going to change this polygonal number of sides into is a 7 or maybe yeah, 7. And you can see it's the 7 side shape is coming. Okay, is it clear? Okay, right? Okay, so any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, everyone. Bishara, Sanuka, is it clear, Buddha? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next day we will do the next parts. Okay, the pencil tool and the other ones. Okay, so please text me or put a message if there's not anything clear. I will put this video to your groups and I will share to the others also. Okay, so thank you children for joining today, and we hope to see you on next week with the another tools in Animate. Okay, thank you children for joining. Bye for now.
Thanks. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.